This video shows the repair of a ClipperCreek J1772 connector. Often the levers of these break, and we show how to replace it. So this connector is what I'm calling a Type A style. And if you want to know if you have a Type A style, look over in this area on the button and you'll see this little triangular cutout. If you've got that, then it's Type A. There are 7 screws that hold the 2 halves of the clamshell together. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. They're a T10 security bit, which is a Torx with a hole in the middle. So you have to have this bit to take it apart. Those 7 screws have been removed. The clamshell can be separated with either a flat blade screwdriver or a knife or a blade. So simply pry these 2 halves apart. Remove the top of the clamshell. Inside the clamshell, you'll see there's a spring, kind of a cantilevered spring. There's the lever itself in black here. There's a plunger here that engages the switch itself. So as you move it down, the plunger presses the switch open and closed. Remove the lever and the plunger together. So you'll have these 2 pieces. They look kind of like that. I sell on eBay a replacement. briggsjc is my handle on eBay, and you can get this lever and you can slide that in as a replacement. Slips in to the switch, goes on the pivot point. It's installed here, so when you press down, the switch closes, the lever opens. Then we can install the top half of the clamshell back on and put in the 7 screws. The 7 screws are installed back in, and if you press on this lever, maybe you can hear that switch opening and closing, and it's all set and ready to go. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me.